Filipinos have always been voracious consumers of digital media, and the disruption caused by the current pandemic cements this reality even further. Between 2020 and 2021, the number of Filipino internet users increased by a reported 4.2 million. By January 2021, internet penetration in the country now stood at approximately 67%. One of the most noticeable trends among Filipinos was the continued proliferation of mobile. The number of mobile connections in the Philippines in January 2021 was equivalent to 138.2% of the total population, owing to the fact that many Filipinos have more than one mobile connection. Among the brands that continue to thrive with the increasing digitalization and mobile use is the one-stop content platform SHAREit, as it enables the transfer of video, music, files, and apps from one device to another over 200 times faster than Bluetooth. Behind this platform is the SHAREit Group, whose diversified suite of applications, including the core app SHAREit, has been installed by nearly 2.4 billion users worldwide. The SHAREit app sits in the top 10 of the world's most downloaded apps of all time on Google Play. Visit our website to learn more.